Unveiling Stories, Understanding Point of View in Fiction. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into the world of fiction. More specifically, we're going to discuss a crucial aspect of fiction, the point of view. Remember, understanding this concept will not only enhance your reading skills but also enrich your writing. Let's get started. Point of view in fiction refers to the perspective from which a story is told. It's like the eyes through which we see the story unfold. It determines whose voice we hear, whose thoughts we're privy to, and how we experience the story. There are three main types of point of view: first person, second person, and third person. In a first-person point of view, the story is told from the perspective of a character within the story. The narrator uses pronouns like I, we, my, our, etc. This POV provides a personal and intimate view into the character's thoughts and feelings. However, it's limited to what the narrator character knows and perceives. An example sentence in first-person POV could be, I felt a shiver crawl up my spine as I entered the dark room. The second-person point of view is less common in fiction. Here, the narrator speaks directly to the reader, using you or your. This POV can make the reader feel directly involved in the story. An example sentence in second-person POV could be, you step into the dark room, feeling a shiver crawl up your spine. Finally, in the third-person point of view, the narrator is outside the story and refers to characters by their names or as he, she, it, or they. There are two variations of third-person POV: third-person limited, where the narrator only knows the thoughts and feelings of one character, and third-person omniscient, where the narrator knows everything about all characters. An example sentence in third-person POV could be, John felt a shiver crawl up his spine as he entered the dark room. Third-person limited, or, John felt a shiver crawl up his spine as he entered the room, while Mary outside felt a sense of relief. Third-person omniscient. And that wraps up our discussion on point of view in fiction. The next time you read a book or write a story, pay attention to the point of view. It can dramatically change your understanding of the story. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep reading, keep writing, and you'll master these concepts in no time. Until next time, happy learning!